When Joan turned 17, she heard a voice.
Go to the king. He will help you.
But there was one very small problem. She had no idea how to meet the king. She had barely ever left her village. Now, she was walking through mud and cold wind, crossing enemy territory, to find a prince she had never even seen. Everyone said she was crazy.
A girl?
Going to see the king?
She finally arrived at the castle of Chinon, where the French prince called the Dauphin was staying. People tried to trick her. To test whether she was truly sent by God, they disguised the real Dauphin as a regular man and put another man on the throne. Everyone waited to see what this strange girl from the countryside would do. Joan slowly looked around the room. Her gaze passed over the false king and stopped, and without hesitation, she walked straight toward the real Dauphin, dressed plainly among the crowd, and bowed deeply.
God has sent me to you, noble Dauphin. You are the true heir of France.
The hall became silent, as if even the air held its breath. Even the Dauphin was stunned.
How did you know it was me?
Heaven told me.
The Dauphin was shaken. He called Joan aside and spoke with her in private. And for the first time in a long while, the future king felt hope. Not the kind that came from gold or from generals, but from a 17-year-old girl, wearing muddy boots, carrying fire in her soul. Most people think you need strength to be brave, but Joan proved the opposite. She was brave first, and only then did the world begin to listen.